Happening right now, attorneys are trying to find jurors for the trial of the only officer charged in the Breonna Taylor raid. WDRB's Travis Ragsdale in the courtroom all day listening to what attorneys are looking for in a juror. Travis?
The first goal is to find people who know as little about this case as possible, but that's proving to be difficult. Every juror that has been questioned today knows a little bit, at least, about the Breonna Taylor case. Brett Hankison is charged with 3 counts of wanton endangerment. He was one of the officers who was on the raid at Breonna Taylor's apartment. He's accused of firing blindly into Taylor's apartment, some of his bullets winding up in neighboring apartments. Hankison's attorney has twice tried to have the case moved out of Louisville because of the publicity. Today began individual jury selection, where every potential juror out of a pool of 250 is individually questioned, and that is not normally how this works at trials in Jefferson County.
The jury selection in this case is, in some ways, is similar to a death penalty case because they're going to have to individually question each juror. They're going to have to find out what jurors have heard about this from the media, what jurors have heard about this from discussions with other people, and most importantly, they're going to have to determine whether what they've heard is so strong in their mind that they formed an opinion about what should happen in the case.
I want to walk you through some of the questions that attorneys on both sides want answers to. Quote, did you have an opinion about the protest regarding Breonna Taylor? Quote, do you have an opinion about the way police in Louisville treat different people? Quote, do you have personal beliefs that would make it difficult for you to remain objective? Quote, would you be able to set aside the death of Miss Taylor? Quote, do you have any concerns about the way people would react to a verdict? And quote, do you blame Brett Hankison for what happened? Attorneys are trying to find a total of 50 jurors to bring into a group setting. Right now, there are 10 so far today that have been identified. They'll bring back the whole group on February 22nd for that group questioning. That group will then go down to 12 before opening arguments in this case will begin. We're live in downtown Louisville. Travis Ragsdale, WDRB News.